Hello everyone, welcome to a new grammar lesson. Today we are going to learn about all five types of conditional sentences. Type 0, 1, 2, 3 and mixed conditionals in a very easy and practical way. Let us get started. What are conditional sentences? They are sentences that talk about situations and their possible results. Sometimes they are real, sometimes imaginary, and sometimes impossible. For example, if you study, you pass. That is conditional sentence. In this video, we will break down each type one by one. Let's begin with type 0, also called the zero conditional. We use it to talk about facts, rules, or habits. The structure is the first sentence, if plus present simple, comma, the second sentence also in present simple. For example, if you heat water, it boils. This is always true. It is a scientific fact. Now let's look at type 1 or the first conditional. We use it to talk about real future possibilities. The structure, if plus present simple in the first sentence, comma, the second sentence in future, will plus verb. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. The rain might happen. It is possible. Moving on to type 2. This is for imaginary situations in the present or future. The structure is if plus past simple, comma, the second sentence with plus verb. For example, if I were rich, I would buy yacht. I am not rich. It is just a dream or wish. Now let's look at look at type 3, which talks about the past. It describes things that didn't happen and often expresses regret. The structure is the first sentence if plus past perfect, comma, the second sentence would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied, I would have passed the exam. I didn't study, so I failed, but I imagine a different past. Finally, we have the mixed conditional. It talks about a past action that affects the present. The structure is if plus past perfect, comma, the second sentence with plus verb. For example, if I had gone to bed early, I would feel better now. I didn't sleep early in the past and now I am tired. Here's a summary table showing all five types, the structure, the usage, and an example for each one. That is it for today's lesson on conditional sentences. I hope it was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Try to write your own conditional sentence in the comments. I'll check them. See you in the next grammar lesson. Goodbye.